Hey everybody, we're gonna play this game called actually Super Car Jumping, because I accidentally said Sugar Car Jumping for some reason. Yep. After Tank Stars, I wasn't looking for anything. Next. Yes. The next game, I guarantee you, will be Snail Bob. After Tank Stars Part 5 gets released. Oh, I was so close. Come on, come on. Yes! I made it onto the finish line. We have a winner. Oh! What the heck? That's how you know that the game is really good. If it starts doing it, or if it starts like glitching out like that, that's how you know it's a damn good game. So close. You know what? I'm actually gonna take the 9,000. Okay, I have almost 10,000 coins, and yeah. This game is actually pretty good. Yes, I made it! Well, Bruce, goodbye.